Building upper body strength using a resistance band. It highlights the misconception that resistance bands can't provide a good upper body workout and emphasizes the importance of choosing the right exercises and increasing intensity. It explains the push and pull balance in upper body exercises, targeting anterior and posterior chain muscles. Weak back muscles and tight chest muscles can negatively impact posture, and resistance bands offer a solution. 5 simple strength exercises for beginners using a resistance band, covering various muscle groups. 1. Banded standing row. Back. Perform a resistance band row by standing with feet hip-width apart, hinging forward at the hips, and pulling the band towards your back pockets while keeping a neutral spine and squeezing your shoulder blades together. 2. Banded shoulder press. Chest. Stand with feet hip-width apart, position a resistance band under one foot, wrap it for added difficulty, raise it to shoulder height, engage core muscles, and perform overhead presses, emphasizing controlled movements to complete 1 repetition. 3. Banded alternating front and lateral raises. Shoulders. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart, secure one end of the resistance band under your feet, hold the other end with an overhand grip, engage your core, and perform lateral raises to shoulder height with a slight elbow bend. Alternate by drawing the band forward on the second rep, maintaining control and avoiding arching your back. 4. Banded plank row. Back and core. Wrap a resistance band around a stable surface, assume a push-up position, engage core, and pull the band alternately towards hips. Add push-ups for extra challenge, adjusting difficulty by band placement or knee positioning. 5. Banded flies. Loop band around stable support, face away, lift arms to shoulder level, open arms to sides, draw shoulder blades together, then bring hands to chest, maintaining soft elbow bend. Imagine hugging someone, squeeze chest, pause, and repeat. 5. Move upper body resistance band workout for beginners. 1. Resistance band standing row. 2. Resistance band overhead press. 3. Resistance band front and lateral raises. 4. Resistance band plank row. 5. Resistance band flies.